goodies. This is Preethi Madhu. Today we are going to see how to prepare prawn potato curry. Let's begin. In a hot pan, add little oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and 2 slit green chilies, 2 medium-sized onions, and give them a stir. Add some salt for the onions to soften quickly. Once the onions become transparent, add 1 chopped tomato. Cover with lid and cook it for a couple of minutes. Now let's add the masalas one by one. Little turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, some salt, and give it a stir. After a minute, add the chopped potatoes. Mix them well. We have to cover with lid and cook the potatoes. After a couple of minutes, add the tamarind juice and give it a mix. Add a cup of water. Let it cook for 10 minutes with a closed lid. After 10 minutes, add the cleaned prawns. Mix them well. Add 3 spoons of desiccated coconut and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to a mixer and grind it to a fine paste. Now it's time to add the coconut paste which we prepared and mix it very well. Add little water to the mixer and add it to the curry. Let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, let's heat a pan and add little coconut oil. Add the sliced shallots and fry it till it becomes golden brown. Now let's add the shallots to the curry. Add little coriander leaves and switch off the stove. The shallots fried in coconut oil will give an awesome aroma to the curry. The delicious prawn potato curry is ready. If you like our video, please subscribe.